Welcome to Mind Maths channel. Hi viewers, thank you for watching my video. And today I'm explaining about a special case of quadratic equations and their solutions. Okay, uh, I'm asking you to subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed still now, and also click on the bell symbol. And one more important thing is I will explain some examples, and then in the last of this video I'm going to give one example for you. You solve that equation and write the answer in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Listen careful. So here this is special case of or a special type of x minus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 6 is a special type of equation, quadratic equation. Okay, how we can say this is a special case of special type of quadratic equation. Once you see here x and 1 by x and 1 by x are both reciprocals to each other, are multiplicative inverses of each other. Okay, that is why it is called as a special type of quadratic equation. Okay, in the previous video we learned here x plus 1 by x is equal to something given. That type of equations we solve, and now this one. Actually, to solve this equation, first we have to change this into a quadratic equation. Then we solve that quadratic equation by using split into two factors or a factorization method. The second method is a formula method. Third method is a graphical method. And our fourth method or officer's method is called, that means Vedic method is called uh, this one. Okay, what we can say this one, you see here how we can do this. X minus 1 by x we have to write because of x minus 1 by x. X and 1 by x are reciprocals to each other. This 5 by 6 also we have to write the subtraction of or the difference of two reciprocals, because of left hand side it is a difference of two reciprocals is there. Right side also we have to change this 5 by 6 into difference of two reciprocals. How we can write this one? This one we can write as 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. How we can write 5 by 6? You see here 5 by 6. We can write this one as 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, because of you solve this. What is the LCM of 2 and 3 denominators? 6. 3 3 is 9 minus 2 2 is 4. It is equal to 9 minus 4, 5 by 6. This one came. Okay, so this 5 by 6 we can write as 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Okay, which are reciprocals. Again you see this one and this one are reciprocals to each other. Here also these are reciprocals to each other. Okay, that's why we can write directly x is equal to 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. X is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3. Of course, if you take x is equal to 2 by 3, then 1 by x is equal to this one. If you take x is equal to 3 by 2, then 1 by x is equal to 2 by 3. That's it. And let us take one more example. X by x plus 3 minus x plus 3 by x is equal to 15 by 56. 15 by 56. You see here x by x plus 3, x plus 3 by x are reciprocals to each other. That means left hand side of this equation is difference of two reciprocals. So also we can which we have to change this right hand side also difference of two reciprocals. How we can, here 56 we can write as 7 8 56. That's why we can write this one as 8 by 7 minus 7 by 8, because of 7 8 are 56 will come, 8 8 are 64 in the numerator, 8 8 are 64 minus 7 7 are 49. It is equal to 50. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Here 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 1. That's it. So 15 by 56 will come. Okay. Therefore, we can write x by x plus 3 is equal to 8 by 7 or minus 7 by or 7 by 8. This one. X by x plus 3 is equal to 8 by 7 or x by x plus 3 is equal to 7 by 8 we can take. If you take this one and then this is equal to this one. If you take this one equal to x by x plus 3, then the first one is equal to the second one, x plus 3 by x. Why? Because both are reciprocals. Okay. And then if you take this one first in the first case, then we can solve like this. By the cross multiplication, 8 into x, 8x plus 24 is equal to 7x. The 7x we transpose to this side, left side, and 24 transpose to right side. Then we can get x is equal to minus 24. This is the solution. Okay. Let us take one more example. X plus 7 by x plus 9 minus x plus 9 by x plus 7 is equal to 32 by 63. 32 by 63. Okay, now you observe left hand side. You observe left hand side. Then we can observe that x plus 7 by x plus 9 and x plus 9 by x plus 7 are both reciprocals to each other. That is, this left hand side is a difference of two reciprocals. So we have to change this one into difference of two reciprocals. How we can, here 32 by 63. This 63 we can write as 7 into 9. That's why here 9 by 7 minus 7 by 9 we can write. Okay. Again you see here this one is equal to 7 9 are 63, 9 9 are 81 minus 7 7 are 49. It is equal to 81 minus 49 is equal to 32 by 63. This one came. Okay. Therefore, x plus 7 by x plus 9 is equal to 9 by 7 or 7 by 9. This one or this one. Okay. So these are the solutions. Okay, easily again. Actually, if you solve this equation in current modern method, it takes minimum 15 minutes. Because of first we have to change this into a quadratic equation. For that only 10 minutes will take. And after that after getting quadratic equation, we have to solve by any one method. Okay. So totally it takes 15 minutes. It is very time consumption method. And if you use this method, that means Vedic method, it takes only 10 seconds. In 10 seconds we can do this. After practicing 4 or 5 problems, then we can do it in 10 seconds. And also this type of method, Vedic method, is very useful to any competitive examination. So you follow these Vedic methods, and thank you everyone. And also I am giving one question for you. You solve this equation and write the solution in the comment section. Okay. What is that? X minus 1 by x is equal to 45 by 40. This is the equation giving for you to solve this equation and write the solution in the comment section. Okay. Thank you everyone.